How to turn on pages you manage check-in notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on pages you manage check-in notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and first let's go back, and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings and then notifications, and here you will find this one, pages you manage. Click on it and then select any page and click this one, page interactions, and now just click on it if you want to turn it on and go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.